I just got back from Aldi, got everything unloaded, so let's turn the camera around and show you guys what I got. Talk a little bit about meal planning. I will link my meal plan for July down below if you want to see that. A couple things happening in July. One, my brother is military. He's coming home for a 4-day pass. He is going to be with us a total of 2 days this month. Extra things added in here. 4th of July, some fun things. So lots of more fun snacks, different things. Obviously it's summer break, all 4 of my kids are home. We're going to see far less fruits and vegetables this month between my Aldi haul and my Walmart haul because the garden is right at the edge of producing a lot of food for us. We are already pulling berries on the permaculture orchard, so more and more food is coming off of all of our plants, off the property. We don't need as much here. We're also going to go strawberry picking to get stuff to make jam and a couple other things. So there's kind of my spiel. We talked about in my meal plan how I like to take this time of year as my grocery budget is a lot lower because we have all the fresh things coming off the property. I like to take that opportunity, keep my grocery budget the same, but stock up on other things for the house, whether that be snacks or back to school time or something like that. So that's what I did. So my grocery budget is still the same, and this haul came in at $302. Last month, I didn't buy any chocolate chips. We ran out of chocolate chips about 2.5 weeks into the month, which is fine. Not ideal. My kids' favorite cookies are chocolate chip cookies. They love to make brownies and different treats, and we use these chocolate chips in those as chocolate. And this month we stocked up, so we got some dark chocolates. We got lots of minis, which are the kids' favorite. We use these the most in pancakes, muffins. We also will throw these mini chocolate chips in yogurt. Kids like them that way. But I also do get regular sized chocolate chips for other things when we want regular sized chocolate chips. So variety pack here of baking chips, and I won't have to buy them for a while. 2 3-pound bags of cuties. These are Cleo's favorite. She's my 1-year-old. She could single-handedly eat through, if I didn't ration her, she could eat through these oranges in probably a week. So we are at the point where we are going back in the middle of the month to get more oranges and more apples. That's what we did last month. Halfway through, we went back and got 2 more bags of apples and another bag of oranges. So that's what we'll probably end up doing this month as well. These are the kids' favorites kind of year-round. Did get a gallon of milk. I needed it. During the summer, I always let my kids pick a popsicle or like an ice cream treat for the month. So this is a staple through all of our grocery hauls until the weather gets cold again. One kid picked strawberry crunch bars. One child picked M&M cookie sandwiches, and the other one picked Bomb Pops. So these are just fun treats that stay in the freezer and kind of as they want, you know, one a day or every once in a while, the kids can have some of these. My Aldi has carried these cold foams for a couple of months. They've always had vanilla. Then they got the mocha one, which I tried. It was alright, not my favorite. Like the vanilla a lot. But then I saw today they had caramel macchiato. This is a yes. I'm hoping this is delicious. So I got one of each. My brother is also a coffee drinker, so when he's staying with us, I know that he'll enjoy these just as much as I do. We also use these if we make milkshakes for the kids. For things of apples, we got 2 Pink Lady and 2 Honey Crisp. That's what the kids have been liking lately, and these were the cheapest. These were $2.50 a bag, I'm pretty sure. This was a special request from one of the kids. I kind of always let them pick something aside from like the ice creams that we do in the summer. Especially if they're with me, I try to let them pick something. One kid picked sour cream and onion potato chips. Another kid picked these Paw Patrol yogurts. Lunch meat is a staple here. We do sandwiches a lot, especially with when the produce comes out of the garden. It's very easy to throw a sandwich together for lunch. 2 things of ham, 3 things of bologna. That's what the kids really liked last month was the bologna. So we doubled down, got a lot of bologna. To get some graham crackers, s'mores, and things. 2 things of animal crackers. This is me taking an opportunity to stock up on some easy boxed things. I got 3 things of pepperoni. That's been the go-to for homemade pizzas and strombolis and things lately. Also got 2 things of hard salami. These are also really good on pizzas too, and the kids use those as like homemade Lunchables for lunches. Something that I picked up for the 4th of July, I thought it would be easy. Cheddar brats and some smoked brats. Very simple. I love to keep kielbasa in my freezer as a really easy, I forgot to pull meat out today and we need meat for dinner. A kielbasa is usually the answer. It's also easy to make if it's completely frozen. So I got 2 beef and 2 turkey. These are also on my meal plan this month. Lots of tortillas, 2 big ones. I'm getting 2 of these 20-pack tortillas for a very long time. We're upgrading to 3. It's become that time. Thing of grapes, thing of cherries. Kids were very excited to see these. I've never bought cherries before, but in the permaculture orchard we have, I want to say 3 different types of cherries that we're growing. I got 2 bags of this candy popcorn mix. The other one must be floating around in the bottom of the van somewhere, so we're gonna have to find that. Thing of blueberries for the kids. 4 cucumbers. My cucumbers are not coming out of the garden quite yet. Hopefully next month, but we'll see. 2 things of water balloons. Kids love these. These are a staple in our house. We do them all the time. Lots of chicken. Typically, I've been getting 3 bags of chicken breasts, or 3 bags of chicken for a month for us. That's not cutting it anymore. We need 4. So I got 3 things of chicken breasts and a bag of chicken thighs. Our staple, tortilla chips. The kids requested Oreos, and I'm making an Oreo dessert to bring to a 4th of July party. So I got a double stuff and a mint for that dessert that I'm bringing to a party. Thing of bananas. I tried to keep them a little green because I'll get more bananas in my Walmart order a day or 2 from now, and hopefully we can spread out our bananas. I got a thing of Cheez-Its for the kids. Every single bag of baby carrots I bought last month from Aldi rotted on me. Like they had a bad carrot in there somewhere and the whole bag became a slimy, nasty mess. So I really checked these. I'm hoping I don't run into the same issue. The kids have been harvesting carrots out of the garden the last 2 weeks or so, but I need to keep some carrots in there so that they can get big enough to the point where we can can them at the end of the year. So that's my piece with that. 2 more things of whipped topping. One is to go with that Oreo dessert. The other one is to make some popsicles for the kids. 2 things with marshmallows for s'mores. I do buy holiday treats for the kids. I'll buy them once every holiday. They have them, they get to experience them, but then once they're gone, they're gone. I'm not going to repurchase. And the kids saw these frosted sugar cookies, and these are just a staple of every childhood, in my humble opinion. So these are the ones that the kids picked. So these will just be fun cookies, and then when they're gone, they're gone. A thing of ricotta cheese, a thing of cottage cheese. One of my favorite lunches recently has been to take my spicy tuna packets, open them up, and put a couple spoonfuls of cottage cheese in them, mix it up, and eat it right out of the package. It's delicious. And it's just a bunch of protein. It keeps me full. I'm loving it a lot. Sometimes I'll take that mixture and put it in some lettuce that I'm taking out of the garden and make like a lettuce wrap. I'm loving it. So we're going through a lot of cottage cheese. We got some French onion dip. I'm also in charge of bringing this to a holiday party for the weekend. We also needed some frozen fruit. I forgot these last month and they were dearly missed. We use these mostly for popsicles for the kids or smoothies. We do a lot of smoothies in the summer. So I got the cheapest ones that Aldi had right now. Mixed fruit, strawberries, pineapple, peaches, and mango. And then we also got a tropical blend, pineapple, mango, strawberries, and papaya. Both of these are really good. They make really great smoothies, really great popsicles. Our favorite for the popsicles is this one though, the mixed fruit with the peaches, the mango, pineapple, and strawberries. These are really, really good. And I don't like mango or pineapple, and I still really enjoy these. So very good. Thing of hash browns. I figured these would be fun for a breakfast when my brother is here, make it a little bit more fun, and the kids love these. And the very last thing I got was 2 things of original chili with beans. Sometimes very last minute we want to do chili cheese fries or a chili cheese dog, or I figured with those cheddar brats. That is my $302 Aldi haul for the month of July.